Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background in your PDF. So let's get started. So now here we are on ilovepdf.com, and this is where you want to go first. And from here, go into the PDF to Word feature. And then once you're here, you want to click on select PDF file and simply just locate the PDF file that you would want to remove the background in. In my case, it's this one. So I'm going to open this. And then as you can see, it's now here, and click now on convert to Word. And just continue right there. And then from here, once it's done, click on download Word and just simply open the downloaded Word right here. So there it is, open it. And we will now be redirected here into Microsoft Word and click on enable editing. And as you can see, I have a background color right here, which is green. So to remove that is very simple. All you have to do is basically just select the background image right here, because your background has been converted to image. I'm just gonna click on the background and press the backspace button just like that, and you can do this on all pages. As you can see, it has turned into this color, but don't worry, all you have to do now is click on design and click on page color and make sure to select no color right here. And then as you can see, the background is now removed, just as easy as that. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.